Today I'm jamming to my tunes and listening to my podcast with the help of my new wireless earbuds from Carego. They sound great, cancel out the background noise, and actually stay on my ears. We'll go over all its cool features and more, but first, what's in the box? Inside, you have a warranty. And then you can find a baggie of different sized ear tips, a USB-C charging cable, a carrying case that holds a backup charge, and then your earbuds. By placing the earbuds in the carrying case and closing the lid, you can charge your earbuds. Then when you remove the earbuds, they will activate pairing mode. Connect your device, put in the earbuds, and enjoy your new great sounding music. For the price, I'm blown away. They have a great seal on my ears and hold in while I'm working on the hiking trails. There's no background noise, and my music is deep and bassy. I've tested a lot of earbuds on this channel, and these are my favorites so far. They sound great and fit in my ears perfectly. They're comfortable, and you hardly even notice them. With other earbuds, I'm constantly having to readjust, but these hold in no matter what I'm doing. They even have touch controls. You can single tap on the left or right ear to turn up and down your volume. You can double tap to play or pause your music, or even answer phone calls. They have a built-in mic, so you don't have to take your phone out of your pocket to take calls. This is great for me when I'm out and about on the farm. The earbuds will run up to 6 hours, and the carrying case can recharge your earbuds another 5 times, giving you plenty more playtime. Then when your carrying case dies, just charge it up with the charging cable, and it will charge your earbuds too. These earbuds are even IPX4 waterproof, so they'll definitely survive you sweaty boys out there. Honestly, I'm pleasantly surprised with these earbuds. They sound great, look sleek, and give you those hands-free features that I love. The only downside is that they don't have a pass-through mode. But I think that's why they sound so good. They cancel out the background and let you hear your music and nothing else. So if you're looking for a pair of earbuds that sound great, can easily be recharged, and are comfortable to wear, these earbuds from Carego might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go on a hike and listen to my favorite podcast. See ya!